Hi, in this video we're going to be talking about our new Microsoft Excel Fundamentals Masterclass. So if you're new to Excel, or even if you've been using Excel for a while and you want to improve your skills, this could be the course for you. So over on the right you'll see the contents of the course. So we have an introduction section where we talk about the interface, the quick access toolbar, the ribbon, even the web-based version of Excel. Then we get into working with Excel, creating workbooks, using templates, adding data, copying and moving data, inserting graphs and other objects, password protecting your workbook, and even using add-ins. And then we get into some more complicated stuff such as functions and formulas and filters. And then we get into some formatting next, such as formatting your cells, adding cell colors, text alignment, adjusting your cell width and height, using conditional formatting and styles, and then of course the ever-important formatting cells for your data type, and then the popular freeze pane feature. Then the next section we go into page layout and printing, how to set up your workbook for printing so it prints out properly on the sheet, how to use the page breaks, and even how to create PDF files. So there's a lot of information here, so you don't have to be completely new to Excel to benefit from this course. But if you are new to Excel, this will definitely help you out, and it's not too complicated. We make sure to make everything really easy to follow and show you lots of examples as we go along. So I will put a link in the description if you're interested in checking out the course, and then you can check it out and sign up and improve your Excel skills.